you thread up a machine, you should always thread that cone straight up above there. And then with this one we come into here. This is, of course, this is a long arm machine. Go to there and come down to this one, around there. Now this one is very important. You actually run it around, thread around twice, so it goes around once and then again. Then it comes back through that little spring so that when you pull it, it goes down like that, under here, up through here, through your take up, goes through here, through there, and it goes down onto this little guide just above the needle, and then the needle always threads from left to right on this model. So this is similar to a Singer 132K6. This is one of the Chinese copies, but they're all very similar. Now I'll do the bobbin. You flip it, there's a little lever down here, you flip it over to one side and just pull the bobbin case out. So when you put the bobbin in, put it in like that, flip that little lever down, hook it under there, through there, under the spring here, like that, and then it's very important that you put it through that whole hole there. So that when you pull it, it goes like that. Lay the thread down on your back, you put that in there so that this is facing up, there's a gap there for it, goes in there, and this little lever you flick back across, this will swing out of the way. You just do one stitch to pull your bobbin thread up, and there you go, it's ready to sew now. Now when you want to do your binder, this machine's fitted with a binder, you just put the binder in there like that, cut a nice long point on the binder, like that, bring it back here, put it in there, like this, and lift the foot and then take it in underneath there like that. Now when you want to bind something, I've just got a bit of heavy shade cloth here, we'll just bind down the edge of that. When you want to bind, put the binding in there like that, lift your foot up a bit, and you just hang on to your threads, of course, the same as you would normally, and just start doing a few stitches. Now it's very important when you're binding, this gap here, you don't push this up hard against there because that'll make your tape run off crooked. So you just leave a tiny little gap there so it runs through nice and free, and I'm just going to sort of hold the binding tape here so we get it going down nice. So you can see there the binding tape, it's on there quite nice. Go a little bit further. Don't jam your product into the binding tape. You can see this is a 50mm binding, so it's put the binding tape on there quite well, and that's how you do that. It's got this machine's also got a reverse on it if you need to finish your tape off.